Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Changing the language can improve your user experience and make it easier for you to navigate menus and applications. Follow these simple steps and in a few minutes, you'll be enjoying a new language on your phone. So if you're ready, let's get started. Open Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the General option, then touch it. Now, touch the Language option. Once you've done that, you need to touch the Add Language option. Here you can see some of the suggested languages. If you can't find the desired language here, touch the three dots in the top right corner, then touch the All Languages option. Here you can see all the languages. Find the desired language, then touch on that language. A pop-up window will appear asking you whether you want to set the selected language as default or keep the current one. If you choose the Set as Default option, the system will immediately change the language. If you touch the Keep Current option, you'll add the language without setting it as default. I'll choose that option. If you also chose that option and want to change the order of languages, you can do so by touching the Edit option in the top right corner of the screen. And then drag the desired language to the position you want. If you place it at the top of the list, the language will be set as default. That's it. If you found the video helpful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.